This is the second time we've hosted this competition here at Richmond Hill Middle School.
Students are currently racing in an hour-and-a-half heat, so 90 minutes. They have to run 3 different drivers in that. They try to go as many laps as possible in that 90 minutes.
Everybody uses the same vehicle, the same batteries, the same motors. Really comes down to how good are they at putting the car together, but even more important, how good are they at optimizing their driving performance.
It helps me with math because you have to find out how fast you're going and how much energy you're using to see if you need to stop for a pit stop to do more battery check. And it also kind of gives you like engineering because you get to build the car. It's very fun.
They actually work really well together to where this team will help out that team.
I'm learning how to develop teamwork, how to put things together correctly, and how to kind of drive a car.
He doesn't have a driver's license yet. He's only 13. This is a good practice for us when we start permit and also for driving. He explained that they all worked on the car and that he trusts his team and their skills. Once I saw him suit up and I saw everyone checking all of the harnesses, Mom's anxiety went down. So excited.
I like doing stuff that I've never done before, so I'm like, why not give this a try? So I joined it, I had fun with it, so I did it this year again too. I can do anything just as well as a boy can do.
Kind of fun. There's one turn over there that you have to like slow down for, but if you turn off too much, your tires will scrape, so that's what happened with mine. But I figured out a way to get around that.
Improvising. Oh, look at you.
I've always liked engineering. I have a bunch of Legos back in my house, and I love to put stuff together, so I found that part really interesting.
We kind of joked earlier about, oh my gosh, what's going to happen if it starts raining? Well, electric vehicles work in the rain.
A lot of sports play in the rain. Football, soccer, baseball, we do that too. If it's just rain, it's just water, and we'll get wet.
You can actually wash your electric vehicle. It doesn't stop working. So this is a rain or shine event. When you look behind you, you see how many more people are here compared to even a year ago. So the program is catching hold.
Every time we have new events in different places around the country, we get one little seed that starts, and then those events get bigger and bigger and bigger.
There's more interest in electric vehicles. So this ties very well into that. We're training students how to plug into that in the future.
Electric cars really interest me because I think they're what is going to become common in this world, and I really want to learn more about it. I'm thinking about going to Georgia Tech. I really want to go there because it's the best engineering school in the country, and I'd like to be an aerospace engineer after college.
This is a multi-year project. It's a big commitment of sponsors like Coastal Electric who make this happen. So Coastal recognized the value of this in schools. They're actually expanding this program now to some of the other schools they serve in the area.
There are a lot of organizations and like Coastal Electric that does not do this. And I think it's important that community members see that organizations and companies like yours are putting the money back into the community. And especially for our younger generation, it's super helpful. And it encourages them to see that there are other things that they can do because of organizations like Coastal.
Thank you, Coastal Electric, for making this very fun and enthusiastic for all of us.
I just want to tell them thank you.